Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean a stain off vinyl flooring. If you have a stain that's not been sitting there too long, or maybe it's just your time to clean the floor and you notice a stain in the corner, a good solution to make for your stain is make a paste with your laundry detergent and water. It'll make this nice, thick, white, pasty substance that is excellent for removing stains on your floors. It also works great on grout and tile. It's not too harmful. You put it on your laundry, so it can't hurt that bad, right? Just put the paste on the floor and scrub it. Scrub it with the sponge. If the stain is wonderful, you want to rinse that one spot with, spray a little bit of water on there and wipe it up with a rag. If you still have a stain, a lot of times vinyl floors will yellow, and you want to try to prevent that by letting sun shine through your house. You can make a solution with 1 part bleach and 2 parts water. You can scrub the stain with that solution, or if the stain is really bad, you can get a white rag, let it soak in the bleach water, put it on top of the stain, grab some plastic wrap, and make a seal around that white rag. Let it sit overnight. You want to make a seal with tape so that the bleach water doesn't evaporate and the fumes don't get into the air. Let it sit overnight. When you wake up in the morning, just pull the rag up and take the wax paper off, or the plastic paper off, plastic wrap off, and you should be able to scrub the stain right off. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you remove a stain from vinyl flooring.